Good afternoon, everybody. This is Richie coming at you from the historic Wood Plantation. I'm going to take you on a walk down our new power line easement that's cleared, and I'm starting out here at the pole, and there's a neighbor's house, and I am going to walk down the easement and show you what it looks like. The power company will come in here with a trencher, and they will dig a trench and drop a power line in all the way to the house. I'm hoping to drop in a internet line as well, fiber, but that seems to be problematic getting that done. You have to have the power account set up first, and then you have to sign up for the internet, and I'm not quite ready to sign up for the internet yet. So it's unlikely that'll be done. That's expensive, $100 and something a month. And we'll walk it all the way to the house. I'm getting ready to put a board up on the house to accept right here. Over top of the, look, there's clothes billowing out, there's bottles, and I'm leaving most of that in there. I'm not going to pull it out. It's part of the history of the house. So we're going to fix this one board, put that back in place, which is not an original board, by the way. This is just a replacement. You can see how thick it is compared to the other ones. So we'll tack that board back in place and then put our mount up for the power box, and they'll come in here and mount a new meter, and that'll be temporary construction power for our project here at the house. Forget the crooked tree. This is a tree trunk that they used for a power pole for the old electricity. It came from the meter box, and it went up and then over, and that pole got it around that old wire, got it around the chimney, and then it went to the front corner of the house, and then it ran from the front corner of the house out to the driveway that used to be over there, right where that big grove of tree is right there. Right on this side of that, we believe, is the old driveway. There was no road here because this house was the only one here, and all this property belonged to the house. So there was no road until the 1980s when it was subdivided and they built the new road. But this is it, looking back the other way. So, whoo, that's cleared now. It's not pretty. You see all this debris? All this debris still has to be chipped up. You hear Harrison with the chipper now, and he just jammed it, so it cut off. We need to get a bigger chipper to do this big stuff. So I'll probably rent one weekend, get some young people with some strong backs and arms, and we'll get all this chipped up. It's too much to even put in a burn pile, plus with the windy conditions, you can't burn anything right now outdoors. So we are making big progress, but nonetheless, I've already made the call to the power company for them to inspect the easement. Then they can give my electrician the thumbs up to get started, and then they can plan when to bring the trencher in and run in the line, and they'll coordinate all those efforts. But this is a big deal. It's going to be a big step forward for us in less generator use. I've burned a whole lot of gas these last 2 or 3 days, running both generators with the sump pump and dehumidifier and camper, and everything's running. So it'll be a lot more efficient to just have some construction power hooked up. All right, everybody, thanks for tagging along. I'm going to end it with the big favorite angle picture of the house. There we are. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for tagging along.